All right, this is 4931 George Road. We have gone through the clean out in the wall in the women's room, and we're wanting to inspect the progress of the jetting and to check and see if there is a belly in here and how bad it is. All right, so we are obviously in the belly or the sag, and as you can see right in this spot, we've got a big step up in the pipe to get through that fitting, and we're still holding quite a bit of water. So as you can see, we've managed to clear the line of all the debris that was in here, but there's still a very large sag or belly in the pipe. We're going to flush some toilets now and check the flow. All right, so the line's flowing great. All that crazy debris we saw in there last video, pre-jetting, it's all gone. There's just a sag in the pipe. If you don't want to trench up the building, I would recommend getting on a periodic maintenance jetting schedule to keep these lines clear of debris. The only other option is to dig up the floor and correct the belly. So you can see that the toilets are draining out fine. I'm going to let the water continue to drain, so I'll probably pause the video. All right, so everything's drained. That's the line that's running to the clean out. There's the start of the belly. But at least all the big chunks now. Any of this little stuff you see is very, very small, tiny little debris. The last video we couldn't even see in the line. You see some of the joints there. That was number 2. So right now we are completely underwater. Couple of little chunks. So still underwater. That's a good 30 feet, I think, underwater. And now we're starting to come out of it. And that's the main line that exits the building. So everything's got to run through that belly before it can, exit the building. Back to the lateral. It's going to come up to the women's room. So I'm going to go check the line that is between the clean out and the manhole next.